Welcome to this YouTube video where we will explore the fascinating world of the extraocular muscles. These are a group of 6 muscles that are responsible for controlling eye movements and maintaining proper eye alignment. In this video, we will dive into the anatomy, origin, and functions of the extraocular muscles. The extraocular muscles are a group of 6 muscles that originate from the bones of the orbit and attach to the outer surface of the eye. These muscles are responsible for controlling the movements of the eye in all directions. The 6 extraocular muscles are divided into 2 groups: the rectus muscles and the oblique muscles. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative video on the eye. The rectus muscles include the medial rectus, lateral rectus, superior rectus, and the inferior rectus muscle. These muscles are named for their positions relative to the eye, with the medial rectus located closest to the nose, the lateral rectus located farthest from the nose, the superior rectus located above the eye, and the inferior rectus located below the eye. From the image on the right, we can see where each of these muscles are located. The oblique muscles include the superior oblique and the inferior oblique. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. These muscles are also named for their positions relative to the eye, with the superior oblique located above the eye and the inferior oblique located below the eye. Each extraocular muscle has a specific origin and insertion. The origin is the point at which the muscle attaches to a bone or other structure, and the insertion point is the point at which the muscle attaches to the eyeball. Let's see where the medial rectus muscle originates from. The medial rectus muscle originates from the common tendinous ring, a ring of connective tissues that surrounds the optic canal. It inserts on the medial side of the eyeball. Let's go ahead to the next image to see how those muscles attach to the eyeball anteriorly. As you can see how the medial rectus, the lateral rectus, the inferior oblique, and the superior oblique, how they attach to the eyeball. So let's go ahead and talk more. The lateral rectus muscle originates from the common tendinous ring as well, but it inserts on the lateral side of the eyeball. As we can see, this is the lateral rectus muscle and where it attaches on the eyeball. Next is no other but the superior rectus muscle. The superior rectus muscle originates from the common tendinous ring and inserts on the superior side of the eyeball. This is the superior rectus muscle. The inferior rectus muscle. It originates from the inferior orbital fissure and inserts on the inferior side of the eyeball, as we can see from this image on the right. So let's see. You see from the top we have the superior rectus, on the left we have the medial rectus, on the right we have the lateral rectus, and below we have the inferior rectus muscles. Let's go ahead to see the other muscles. The superior oblique muscle originates from the apex of the orbit and inserts on the superior side of the eyeball behind the equator. Let's go ahead to talk about the next muscle, which is the inferior oblique muscle. The inferior oblique muscle originates from the maxillary bone and inserts on the inferior side of the eyeball behind the equator. So now that we understand the anatomy of the extraocular muscles, let's explore their functions. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you. Back to the functions of the muscles. The rectus muscle primarily moves the eye in a straight line, while the oblique muscles move the eye in a more circular or oblique directions. The medial rectus muscle. The medial rectus muscle is responsible for moving the eye inward towards the nose. As you can see where the arrow is pointing. Let's look at the next muscle. The lateral rectus muscle is responsible for moving the eye outwards away from the nose. Let's go ahead to see the next muscle. The superior rectus muscle is responsible for moving the eye upward, while the inferior rectus muscle is responsible for moving the eye downward. The next muscle is the superior oblique muscle. It's responsible for rotating the eye downward and away from the nose. The inferior oblique muscle is responsible for rotating the eye upwards and away from the nose. In summary, the extraocular muscles are responsible for moving the eyes in various directions, and they are controlled by the cranial nerve, the third, fourth, and fifth of it. Understanding the anatomy and functions of this muscle is crucial for understanding how the eye moves and how we perceive the world around us. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Disorders related to the extraocular muscles can affect the eye movement and alignment, leading to vision problems and other complications. If you notice any or experience any eye-related problem, it is important to seek the advice of an eye care professional. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative video on the human eye. Thanks for watching.